Hello everyone, glad you could make it. Welcome to an introduction video to the Masterclass Modern Brush Practice Sheets, as you're well aware. This is the culmination of a lot of your questions, comments, concerns about how to learn brush calligraphy, modern in particular, and kind of answering them all in one book. Now, I'm excited to finally release this. This took a while. Obviously, I haven't been making videos. I've been working on this. I only got so much time in the day. And yeah, so this is just kind of a way to go from individual strokes to complete compositions. So in your skill level, I think this still works unless you're very, very proficient. It will teach from holding the pen, basic strokes, lowercase, uppercase, numbers and symbols, connections, which is a very important one. A lot of people online will learn up to this and then get stuck at the connections. Like, there isn't too many tutorials on it, so this is where this kind of covers that. Obviously words are just another connection, but just giving you some practice forming stuff and letter spacing. Style variation, super key, kind of show how to make it bounce and how to change it to make it your alphabet. And then it even goes into flourishing basics, how to do letter flourishes, the 5 guidelines of flourishing for more abstract kind of concepts for making compositions, which is the goal, is to make a composition, which is basically, I'll give you an example. So, so this would be the kind of the goal of this workbook, so that you could make the letters, add flourishes, and then add extra abstract flourishes that add into it and make it a cohesive composition. So yeah, so the final project obviously is finding like a short quote like "Home Sweet Home" or something like that, and then writing it, flourishing it, adding some extras based on some of the examples I give in the book. Now, what you need for this is basically just a Tombow brush pen, which is what it's been designed for. Or if you have it at home, the Crayola marker works too, as you know in my previous video, link below. And then it just kind of goes through a bunch of tutorials and like graphics kind of saying how to do it. And then what you'll be doing is, for instance, the basic strokes, goes over it. There's an example, a list of stroke order, direction, and pressure. So pressure is how thick the arrows are. So if it's thin, it's just simply a upstroke. So like really, really thin, and then thick downstroke. So you put more pressure. But if you follow along, it'll give you good pointers on how to get to where you want to be, which is making compositions, if you're into that. But it also covers how to flourish and all that good stuff. So it's available now on my website, link down below. Right now, there's a deal going on between November, December for Christmas or Black Friday or what have you. $11 versus 16, so you get a little bit of a deal there. Yeah, and if you're interested, just click the link down below. Don't worry, I'll be making more tutorial videos in the future. I just wanted something that I could point to be like, for people that are asking questions like, how do I do this, how do I do that? I'd be like, this will give you everything you need to know and teach more than I ever could in a video if you just follow this. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned. There'll be more videos, more tutorials, how to make your own GIFs, whatever. It's all coming. I have a lot planned. Stick around, and thanks for watching. Take care.